Hello everybody and welcome in. Today I would like to talk with you about this YouTube Create, this video editor from Google for YouTube specifically. And I don't know when it came into the Google Play Store. It says it's in beta. And right here we can see that it was last updated November 26, 2024. This is the first time I've actually seen this in the store, in the Google Play Store. So I went ahead and installed it, and we're going to check it out together right now. And this is what it is. So when you come over here, you have the ability to create a video. And you can go ahead and load it up with whatever you want. Here, we'll grab this. Okay, here's a clip from some Fortnite.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I going?
Okay, pretty noisy. Let's do some audio cleanup, see what happens with that. So to have audio cleanup on a free app like this is very beautiful. I love it. Let's turn it on.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I going?
I mean, it's pointless in a video game like this.
Frog, I'm scared. I don't know where I'm at.
Listen to the quality of voice isolation in that. That is pure voice isolation. None of the audio from the gameplay is there. And I was testing out earlier on some video from my time in Germany, and it was also just completely got rid of all the background noise, and it isolates the voice perfectly. So if you're doing a video that you're talking in, this could isolate your voice perfectly. That was amazing audio isolation right there from this app. Beautiful. Let's check out some filters. Obviously, you're not going to use filters when you're playing Fortnite, but you know, just for the sake of it, they have a lot of good options in here. A lot of just the basic ones, you know what I mean? But also, it's just there. Okay. Effects. Let's see what they have for. Ooh, they have a lot of effects in here. Grab that VHS effect.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I going?
Yeah, see, right there. Perfect. We can also apparently adjust all of the video quality settings here. So we could turn down some stuff, turn up some stuff. This is beautiful. Skin tone again, if you are doing a vlog or something else like that, you have that. Sharpness. Yeah, beautiful. Opacity, we can make it beautiful. Are there keyframes in there as well? I don't see any keyframes though. Yeah, I don't see any keyframes at all in this. It looks like it's pretty much just you go and go. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, transitions. We are going to have let's do the eraser.
Where am I gonna go?
Yeah, eraser's in. Speed in there. We have cleanup, rotation. Now for the next part. So we have that. We have overlay as well. So if you have something that you want to toss in there, like if we toss in our gaming symbol that we were playing around with the other day, now we have that.
Where am I gonna go?
So you can throw a logo on your screen as well, or some type of other thing. That's nice. Text, plain text is just going to be plain text, of course. Text effects, let's check those out. Ooh, that is nice. So they have some pretty decent text effects in here. Speech bubble callouts. They have. Ooh. This is a very nice selection, I'm not gonna lie, just for like a little free app and from Google for YouTube. I really hope that they keep this and they keep going. What do they have for stickers? Of course, they have the subscribe now
Where am I going?
animation. Okay, perfect. We all know how hard that is to find sometimes, so for them to have it in their app natively, which makes sense, it is it is YouTube, it is Google. They have some pretty cool things in GIFs. They have GIFs built into their video editor. This is interesting. Okay. Okay, that's pretty nice. I mean, I don't know where I would use that at, but it is there. And then, of course, they have all of the emojis, animated emojis, as well. Okay, that's pretty nice. Voiceovers, so if you want to do a voiceover as well. Sound. Ooh, look at that, guys. We have the audio library, the royalty-free audio library from YouTube directly in the app. So we can find the music that we want and toss it in there. Generated sound. Wait, they have an AI. They have an AI. They have a built-in AI audio track generator. It's an experiment, but still, they have it built into the YouTube Create app. That's fantastic if it's actually going to produce. Let's see if it actually produces anything. It does. Okay. Okay. So it can straight up produce its own music inside of YouTube's editing app. Sound effects. Okay. That is beautiful, and then our own music. Okay. I'm really liking what I see so far. That is awesome. Captions. Sound source video. Language spoken is English. Select translation German. And create. Okay, it's going to...
Where am I gonna go? Where am I going?
Look at Frosch.
Frog, I'm scared. I don't know where I'm at.
Yeah. Okay, I like that. It's straight up. Hold on, edit. So you can edit it to fix the grammar, the style. You can also change the style. So we have the size. We can change the font type, right? The color of it, the background of it. We can add stroke to the text as well. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. You'd have no idea how nice this is to have it so easily accessible.
Where am I gonna go?
Look at that. Okay, we can turn off the background. We can also add in some shadow. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so that's that. Let's check one more aspect of this out. Chinese traditional. Is it going to do that? It is. Okay.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I going?
Okay. I'm officially in love with this snap. We could change what's the canvas doing. Oh, we could change the default canvas color in the background. To match whatever we want it to match for
Where am I gonna go?
for our color scheme. That's good. And we could change the aspect ratio into a short or into a square short. Okay. Well, guys, that's looks to appear to be it for this app. Let's see up here at the top. We have export button right here. We have show menu, and we have the export button. Now, I'm gonna lose the video here for a second, so one moment. We're gonna export. Exporting the video. My tablet does not have enough power to render this video and record, so it's gonna stop here in a little bit probably. Alright, so the video has finished, and when you finish rendering your video, you have two options. You can share it, so you can hit share and send it off to other platforms, or you can hit upload, and it's going to upload it directly to YouTube. So we have, you could title it, give it a description as well. Oops, sorry. What else do we have going on here? So all the stuff, when you're uploading it, it will upload it directly to YouTube. I love this app, guys. So if you want to check this app out, go grab it from the Play Store if it's available for you. Again, this was called YouTube Create, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll be checking out more of the video editing apps here soon, but you can tell that this one is pretty basic, but it has a lot of things in there. And even if you just use it for the final stages of grabbing some music and then throwing that out there, you know, pretty beneficial. Later, guys.